Wow, there's a flag going in my mouth. My goodness. Look at the cave. Okay, let's go.
Lagi po na po sa pagmamaya. Kami na po sa mga pinakamagandang tayo doon. Diyan lang po.
May baka. Tingnan mo, masama ng tingin sa baka ng chicks. Paano sa picture mga baka bantay sa island?
Meron na. We are in Secret Cove, a private area in Batangas. Look at the view. What's that, Marianne?
It's a fish.
Oh, it's dead.
There.
So where are we at?
In Secret Lagoon. Secret Cove.
Swimming. Because the water's so shallow.
Lying down na lang.
So she wants to just lie down. We are in Secret Cove. And they say there's lots of people who come here later or be full. There's really no place to swim because the water is very shallow. Marianne said we're like in the swimming pool. Look at her swimming in the background. There, look at her. She's swimming and swimming. We are in Secret Laguna. This is where the deep end is, where you can go swimming.
Yung mga nakadikit, ito.
Marianne said they eat that in the province.
Yeah, this one.
Shell.
Yeah. That one. Niluluto namin yun. Sarap yan.
She said it's very yummy. Those shells that you get from the water.
Madulas ng kings.
She said it's very slippery because of the rock. And she's not wearing shoes, but I am.
I am an island girl.
She is an island girl, she said. So she don't need shoes. There's the island girl.
But ayoko na dito. Pagod na.
Look at the water. There's a tree, it looks like a dinosaur tree. Marianne is back in the water. She'll swim 5 times until she goes to the boat. said it's very good swimming in the water.
We don't know where to swim.
What?
We don't know where to swim.
No, they're afraid that they're stepping on rocks.
There is no rock in that area.
But they said that they have to go home or something.
Yeah, because they think they cannot swim here.
Mm.
We don't know the area.